Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on speed limit alerts in Waze. So Waze can alert you when you are driving above the posted speed limit. So this feature can help you monitor your speed and avoid unintentionally exceeding the limit. So to turn on the speed limit alerts, you will need to first open Waze on your phone and tap your profile icon or the main Waze menu that's located at the top left corner right here, and select the settings at the third option or the gear icon. Then find the speedometer under the relevant driving settings. So it's on the driving preferences. Yeah, the speedometer, it's the second last option. And now guys, you will need to make sure that a show speedometer option is enabled, right? So then look for the speed threshold, or speed limit alerts option. Okay, so depending on your Waze version, you may be able to choose when Waze should warn you, such as when you reach the speed limit or exceed it by specific amounts, right? So just go ahead and turn it on if not already. So after configuring the settings, return to the navigation screen and start your device or drive. When Waze detects that your current speed right then is above the applicable speed limit, it can provide a visual or audible warning. So if the alert doesn't work, check the Waze has permission to access your location and that the app is updated. Also remember that speed limit information comes from map data and may occasionally be missing or incorrect. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.